I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Gina Perrelli. She is co-founder and CEO at Stay.AI. Gina, it is wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me.
My pleasure. So now, Gina, tell me about the company and its mission.
Yeah, so Stay is a retention platform for brands in the Shopify ecosystem. So we help mainly with processing subscriptions. So if you are going to a website and subscribing and saving, we're powering the back-end experience of that. And we're looking at, mapping out different customer journeys. If somebody maybe is thinking about churning or canceling their subscription, what we can do to win them over, and then also get them other products within the Shopify product catalog that you might want to also add to your subscription. So if you're subscribed to product A, maybe you also want to try product B.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So now tell me, how are you different from others that are in this space?
So we've taken a marketing approach to it. So there were a lot of other subscription apps that came before it, very transactional. You set up a subscription program, you kind of set it and forget it. Where I came from the retention space, and I kind of looked at it and I was like, we do so much when we're acquiring new customers on Facebook and all these other platforms. We're A/B testing all these different things. How do you have somebody who comes to your website, gives you your credit card, say, I love your brand so much, and then you just don't talk to them ever? You just hope they don't cancel their subscription? Where I was like, what if we gamified it a bit? What if we kind of gave them different incentives? On their third order, they get this for free. On their fifth order, they're working towards this, and we are building this relationship with the end user.
Okay.
Yeah.
And as you look to the next 12 months, what are you focused on?
Just continuing to build out a couple more of our tools. So we've got some really exciting things coming that I'm pretty hyped about that are coming in the new year. We've been training a lot of different models using our AI to kind of help decipher, who is actually a churn risk, what products should they be upsold to, all these different things. And we're dialing in a lot also around forecasting. So I'm excited to get those rolled out to the public.
Okay, now you're co-founder of the company.
Yes.
Tell me, what inspired you or sparked you to start the company?
So before this, I actually founded a digital agency, and I ran our retention team for years. So I got to work with all the different platforms in the space, Klaviyo, who just IPO'd, and some of these other platforms, and I got to see kind of where there was opportunity, and I just saw with subscription, again, it felt like the area of the retention tech stack that we just were not paying attention to, and it was the most passionate end user. So I was like, God, if somebody just took this marketing approach to this, you could be so much more successful and just really kind of create more this club membership, relationship with your customers. And I think that's why people sell direct instead of just selling on Amazon or some of these other places, is because they want that relationship. So that is I'm passionate about it, and I think that's why I started it.
All right. Well, yeah. Gina, wonderful to talk with you.
Yes, you as well.
Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
Thanks.